Nothing beats subscribing to the VYO podcast. Survive depression. And your toxic co-worker.
Ikala so.
Maybe release the album and call it Thick and Slim.
1, 2.
What the fuck?
Umkhuze.
Ngeke we do.
Ngabe
Collaboration.
kuyidu. Wo.
Atilani ngasifakela ama mic lingala itanga.
I see them not.
My sincerest
I am
apologies.
on.
Yeah.
I see them not.
Salu bana.
Yeah.
Linjani.
Sana.
Uhleka.
Hayi.
Yeah.
What?
Hello. Hello.
All right. Price
Hey, mic,
right.
you know. All right.
Price sharp.
Kare cordless leyo niyabinjani yabivara bana via the interwebs.
Asithembe njalo.
yavinjalo
Yathanda
Ina shapho
experiment
mina.
technology
Price.
bafana.
angi-experimenti nxa ngisebenza khona
It's great to see you, man.
I'm just doing it.
It's great to
Price
see you.
wakhuluma so.
Nike.
I-audio yahamba.
Just do it.
Baba ngike litshele majenzi. Yazi lokuze ini podcast yeyila amanye ama sabotage fucked up. Uyenye idendo tangabe yanjanye style blind njani. Kahle ngabukwa ngene eminyango. Ngaphi footage. Episode yakho check yaphuma i-audio. Yeah, umgcini for the first time I think ngathola more compliments than him. Wabe siyendlini wabe delete episode.
Eningayidilita bro.
Acha bo.
What did it achieve?
Yazi ngenzani? Yabona lo kanti uyazibona to delete lani. Then after su delete usuzithi fuck.
Recycle.
Bengamelanga.
Ngabuka ngathi ngabuka ngomongi.
Athi no ifoni yayila space.
Hayi yabona kuthiwa
Ndaba umongikazi akatshela ukubuka abantu.
hayi mina personal ngikhulumela mina ukuthi wazi wangibiza e-young Oma apps.
Yes man.
Episode kuni.
Kuyatholakala.
At least
mngani.
sathatha amapikitsha.
Kuyatholakala.
Masokuthiwa imic kamgcini on selingethusa. Alright.
Seliqalisile kodwa.
Ungangithwali phela mdala.
Mina ngumthwali wezoni.
But phela umuntu osungaba
Hayi indawo le mina I think ngilali actually you know what let me just shut the fuck up.
No, mina bengingafuna ukuthi ushut the fuck up. Ngifuna ukukhuluma. But bengisatsho ukuthi indaba leyani uBryce yokuthwala
izoni.
imbundu lena ikhulunywa ngasharp
So
sharp.
isisoni.
Uthwala
Wathola imbundu.
Ama-cheeks.
Wayethola ama-cheeks. And yabona nani i-episode le sirekhodile singabantu abadala sonke la siyakwazi ukuthi sibonile nani lathi sibonile labo babonile umbani wathi let bygones be bygones
So AKA
Whoever it was
Somgabi.
uvumelana la.
somgabe
also AKA guys.
umbani wathi asante sana
Ngumgaba.
wathi let
Kanti
bygones
ukuthi asante sana ukuthi let bygones.
wayesevalelisa
Oh.
but anyways, guys,
Sinebas.
kudlulile. Our thoughts and prayers are with the victims of the Faye incident. We hope at some point in time we get to find a way yokuthi if there's people that can reach out to us as a platform who want to assist and the people that need to be assisted, I'm hoping ukuthi you are working towards that. We at
Yeah.
least owe it to those people.
Yeah, I think singayivala njalo.
Radio 101, guys. First and foremost, thoughts and prayers, they go out to the victims.
Yeah.
And then we start the jokes.
Yeah.
If maybe like a year later, Tasha. Anti-price. What did it team song at Titanic? Nanan? Hi, but I sorry, yenyu.
Honestly.
Yeah, nabona.
Abantu abadala
Kufundwa
njalo, we live and we learn.
Next time asiyenzi vele into zona lezo vele. Yabo ngoba ziyahlupha.
Yeah.
Yeah, kuyazwakala.
Kuyazwakala.
Yeah.
Amayi
Khanye
lapha
seyeni phela kathi ini.
amayi lapha selikhawada thina lapha esi eseminyathelo
akula ngisho one ihostel ibomvu nami
Akula.
akushilo kuchile
Kanti mbaleka Stembu Mongi.
mbani obomvu
Ngubani?
lapho
No MJ.
phela umayelo namhlangane nguyo
I see.
Mutesh.
It can't.
Mutesh
Okay.
utesh ngani umhlotshana yikho bona konta akuchile
so anyways usithi uprice wathi njani anisakuzwanga
lapani ethwalile ukuze nini ethwali
Uthe yena uthwala
Person.
izoni.
but mina ngithi wayekwazi umdala ayekwenza
ya but umdala futhi
yithi ngumsebenzi
No, but-
ayekwenza ayekwazi
xa ufuna ubona ukuthi umdala futhi wayekwazi ukuthi into le singabhamuka kusasa ngendlela
Walanda
athwala
ikamera
ngayo
eyayikhangela.
ngendlela ayethwala ngayo
wavele kafakanga lesandla anyway.
wayekwazi ukuthi lina lizathi ufuna ukubamba
Alabana.
Wathi hayi mana litshengisa mina yafaka phezulu.
Inhlanhla ya.
nona wona amjamula njani ndani
Inhlanhla.
Inhlanhla vele labani isandla kokulu ukuthi singene laba.
Singene nga.
Like kwesakhe isikhwapha.
but
Alabana
kodwa
guys.
inhlanhla we have to appreciate inhlanhla yankona ukuthi ndoda
Hey.
inkulu okunganani
Because it could have
do
been
you
dark.
know ukuthi elizweni sibila
Guys.
what ingathi elizweni
Milo,
Eh.
before you go any further, akusonhlanhla lokho ya. Mina ngathi ngim-approach I knew ukuthi ngifuna ukumthwala nje. I had to
Oh, it
hold
was
there
a
from
calculated move.
Yes, I had to hold there from
Jana kare suzi incriminate I
Lalela.
was coming to your aid mngani wami
yikho phela.
Oh, you were not against.
Hayi
Yeah,
ngifuna
I'm
ukuthi
for
lo
him.
wenhlanhla lo.
Hayi,
manje lokhu
inhlanhla.
zenene.
Ask me why mina nisithi inhlanhla
Why?
uyakwazi ukuthi in a country umntwana endaweni yokuthi labazali abahlelekileyo nje uprice maybe sesikhuluma ngaye sengusilenda lapha khona leyakwazi ukuthi
Akona sokungayenzakala but ukuthi lapha ekhona.
Mina I'm prepared mntana.
No,
Kube
I'm-
kuthiwa kwenzakala eChurch.
I'm just saying nje kuphela
no but
Lapha ekhona in the first place.
ukuthi in other places uprice and whatever it is that he's involved with could be facing a lawsuit.
But you know what? There was someone that was actually complaining about this the other day in another group. Ukuthi for events like this, why kungela ma security personnel abafazi? Because in that case, it was supposed to be done by a woman.
but wena utingani
Yena vele
Well, that was my question. Umuntu wena
Right,
vele dingani
udingani.
lapho kumele ungabi
Uyakwazi
khona.
nje
Alright,
Kuzwa-
ngikubuza nxa kulama terrorist
Washa.
khuluma slow
Bambele.
right.
We have time.
When it comes to security, kungaba i-terrorist
Guy mose
Take your
yatunya.
time. Take your time.
siyakhuluma mbijana asijahanga
Kufake ngesintu.
if it's terrorism
terrorism
being done by a woman,
Ah.
kuza deploy amasotsha abafazi.
Hayi lapha
Right.
sefika
No.
terrorism phela.
Let me land.
Hayi awuzozilenda izabhonjwa lithe. Hell no. Hayi.
So uthi ku-enforcement akula sexism.
When you're exactly. If you're disrupting the event, you're disrupting the event, whether you're female or male.
Akula
So-
gender.
Kuzathunywa i-security,
Because
whether male or
ama-rules
female.
uwazi.
Yes.
Ama-rules wavumile.
Odinga.
Whether wabalile umbe uthe agree to all.
Yes.
So usufela ukuthi uvumile.
Ngoba singenza njalo vele uyawazi phela abantu abangaphuziyo ukuqalisa ukubhenda i-umbrella law to their personal ama-LGBT umuntu ahle yalo ukubotshwa yena ngomuntu who does not identify as mina ngangi as a homosexual I feel like
I feel like I'm being
I'm
violated.
being violated because umuntu ombambayo is not my gender
yeah
aziphuzi phela leziya
Lapho ngusisi ohlengisileyo.
aziphuzi phela leziya yakwazi there was even there was even a solid legal argument yokuthi most of these laws that is against LGBTQ are already actually generally covered. It's just that they want specific laws for themselves.
Huh?
For example, they're already covered in law. But good one. For example, ungathi umuntu ube homophobic, that shouldn't be a separate law. It's just hate speech. It's there. Nxa umuntu eko-attackile because of something, it's assault. It's there. But when they wanted it specifically, you know,
Because attack
a
umuntu
group ukuthi le
we-community.
isisiba a separate law. But we already have laws that cover all of those kind of things because they're not the first group of people. We have ethnicities, we have religious groups, we have abantu and they are not new. So
I just think people just get excited under every movement ebakhona nje.
yiko vele ngitsho ukuthi unkazana
Civil rights movement,
But anyways,
Black Lives Matter.
before sisha i-omnibus sigcine silahleka futhi njengalast week bemfuna ukuthi into lena estagini i-concept esharp isimoko abantu basuka babe baningi futhi yabona
kusetshwaleni to
still bro
Uyabusuthunywa.
But Lokiana Pela also the promoters need it, huh? It's
Labantu.
marketing. The camera, most of it is for most of the time it's facing towards the DJ. They need to sell the event to corporates. People, they need to see that the event has people.
so abantu abangemva kwa DJ i-evidence yokuthi
Istayila phela cause lapha phela it's not just anybody abengemva khona pha. Abanye babe plant.
Yeah,
Mhlawumbe kulo
mina-
K Breezy.
Ah.
K Breezy
Ngiliplanti
ngumrapper.
mina.
Kabe umgcini le podcast. Kabe kulo Price, well his price.
Kabe kulo Linda
into ezinjalo.
Ah.
So, you know, yeah.
no but yabona
Just ngama-industry plant manje.
No, not to go to the industry plant, no. If you're in an industry plant, bro, I would know your music. Chill. Zwana che.
I'm touched on your behalf.
ladies and gentlemen boys and girls
Aveve ngikhulumi ngathi angifuni ukubuya la. Vele ngalitshela ngathi angifuni ukubuya la.
alright asayini intro ladies and gentlemen
Hey. Wenzakhala ke ngokwegogila man. Ladies and gentlemen,
boys and girls
you guys have an intro kumbe lapho ngifika li.
alaba bantu
Obani,
Lina.
the intro.
bampenje kuphela kuzi that's
Lina
why
njenge-21 jump.
I-intro kaMilo ohleli trying nge-question nge-first 10 seconds. Right, I've got a question.
right
Actually, I do have one.
akumelelwa anything zihle zisuke
Siyalile
vele
phela Isindebele.
Akula foreplay.
Awusakwazi ukuthi
mtheni
Bengani ufuna
Don't
ukufaka
hold hands,
isaka.
guys, no.
yatholakala
Ah, singama-
uthini umbuzo wakho do
At what point in time should an artist start charging?
charging for in
Artist the charger for in. Smile.
well ukuthi
Hampendule ngase-artist phela akakwazi.
i-artist
Imphendula kahle
yakho.
incwe
All right.
webuza
So,
yena.
all right. Artist and a creative. All right. But I mean, I'm speaking generally when it comes to abantu entertainment spaces.
yeah
I'm asking you, at what point in time do they say, all right, it's so sharp, I'm not doing freebies anymore. I'm now charging such and such an amount.
I would have got a following, bro. A tiny little bit of following that says we know you.
So no one in Bulawa should charge.
man ufika njani ekuthini sule following like
People
establish
know me.
njani because
Yes, you guys know me.
Usithi mina lo mntana no man.
manini asibeni sonke la
Milo, we just arrived.
asibeni sonke la andi sizoyakhana la mina ngithi mawuzathi wena usule following uestablish njani ukuthi le yi following yami labantu laba follow
It
mina
depends on
because
what you're doing. For me, you've got from where I've been performing, you've got a certain number of people that you know they're always there. Ukuthi uyahamba kwenye performance yabanye abantu they're not, but when it's you that's performing, they're there.
because lapha dance yakhona ikuthi endaweni sometimes yabo performa kizo besizahamba vele
It's like saying,
But which is what I'm saying.
it's like
Ukuthi
saying-
yena.
it's- no, but-
Kulokuthi namhla kugcwele kulabo sibane singabajayelanga. But namuhla kugcwele labo esivele sibajayela ukuthi babuya. Say for example, where I used to perform, it's different bands. It's a different band on this day, it's a different band on that day. And then you've got people that come on Saturday specifically because they're there for the band that plays on Saturday. And then you've got people that come on Friday because they're there for the band that's playing on Friday.
Kanti
Then you've
lehlabela
got,
dade.
Ayinya.
Kayenzi indoda.
Then you've got
Nguselin Tilly.
all-rounders
Mina
abuya
industry
ngoba
plant
ngam- Yeah. Then you've got all-rounders abuya endaweni just because bangama-regular
Vele
endaweni.
ama-regular indawo.
ubone ngani imele uqale nini ukucharger
I'm
Gabe,
not in charge.
at what point in time did you decide to put down, right, see, this is it now, I think I can start charging? Because I'm sure at some point in time you were doing freebies, right? Child, maybe let's say to your child exposure, right? But Kares, obviously you charge such and such, so there's maybe, all right, just $10 or X amount. Or how did you get to that conclusion?
Well, I don't know, Majensi, to be honest, it differs from artist to artist. I want you to go your main objective yako. Or specifically, do you know? I mean, I didn't charge for a long time, even at the time I was expected to charge, because I think my story was different. I think I had pride. I'm telling you the truth. For a very long time, I didn't charge, but I'd only do it if I wanted to do it. So
okay.
if mna vele ngandle, but anyway, ngike ngitshela story ngingakaqedisa answer yami. Ngiyakhumbula first time ngitshayisana le nye Brian iqala la ukucharge isethown. Iza kumgcina imbi. Yayile paper so yena li contract. Baba kusayibheka memes.
Hathi ukhuluma ngami? You're rubbish.
Sawusomgcine bimba.
Oh, contract etown yakhumna sasihlangene eduze la ku Mr Chiefs. Sithi phuta siyibona inkampani enkulu. Kubhaliwe kubhaliwe phansi lapha. Futhi labana dog, your following was nowhere even like 10 times less than what it is now.
Yeah.
But also uqalisa ukucharge lapha.
Yeah.
Because I think we are in momentum. That was even before Mjolo FM.
Yeah.
But then okunye songangabi momentum. Songabuzazi wena.
Hey,
I'm
momentum,
worth
yeah.
this
Okay,
title.
guys, can I say something?
Yeah.
There's what's happening and there's what should happen, right? What should happen is initially, Vele, if you're an artist and a promoter, club owner, or event organizer wants you on their stage, right? They have to pay you for what you know, the talent to pay that, because yena they saw fit to okay, I need you from my audience. Into lay following iqaleka test, because initially what used to happen was I promoter uzabiza abantu bakhe. People know a certain promoter, umuntu lo yenza ama show amnandi, and uku promoter, the word promoter is catching you beating people that are not known or that are known elsewhere but they are not known
In
here
your circles,
to
yeah.
promote them. Yabo, meaning good already awula following.
Following
Umuntu le
ngika
following
promoter.
ngika promote. Wena uzo entertainer abantu baka promoter, uzo entertainer abantu
Ucheck
be
WhatsApp
club.
assistant.
Yes. Ukuthi ubuye labantu wabuya ngalabantu lokhu doesn't count. The fact ukuthi umuntu lana uyakunida to come and showcase your talent and kumele akubhadale. At that point esithi Milo, I need you to come and DJ at my club. It's a new club. Yabona. When you just do follow-up questions, ukuthi umwe ukuthi umuntu lo one is he money that much ukuthi ngamcharge so or not that money ukuthi ngamcharge according to.
So that's what should be happening.
That's what should be happening.
What's happening?
According
What's
to
happening
price,
right now?
bro.
Gatwa.
No, he has a solid point.
No, kunjalo vele throughout history ungakhangela.
Throughout the history.
Yeah.
No.
Jack, do you watch amalokuzena ama movies of how artists came up?
Yeah.
Right, ngizakunika ama reference.
Manini.
What is happening actually is K-Breeze ulabantu abangaki. Ngingakubiza club inyama ngayigcwalisa.
Uyabuya labantu.
Yeah.
That's not what should be happening.
Aye.
The club owner should make sure ukuthi yena uzaba nama patrons akhe.
Lalela la.
Wena subisa abantu abangaba entertainer shop.
Before sijula deep la, okay, Breeze was trying to make a point. Uthe contract ubusiya ngabule point yakho because you said before ngikhuluma something. What did you want to say?
Oh, where I wanted to land my point.
Yeah.
He's making valid points. But mina, I feel like where I was going to land my point was when even what if following yake isaqala. Lapana okwenza wa 2020 ukuthi abantu labane bebalanda wena. And
Yeah.
so from most of what I've gathered or through it's usually about who gets to talk first. Into yakona ngani ukugwajisana. If I
Sure.
come to a Koto ngicela ukuchanga Saturday, baniki right kuphela. But
Because I've
bengangilanda.
had a situation where I've seen a person, Asamlanda, cities from Getchai at their place. They told us, come play, but come with your people.
Anjo.
And then we see if you guys have a following.
Anjo.
And then we can talk after that.
Afterwards.
So why are we doing a trial and error?
Vele khathesi
Right.
sowuthi umbani ulanda omnye kuqala. Ubona bengakulanda sebefuna uchaya, sebekubhadala. Kunjalo.
Zwana, the reason why I was asking this question and is ukuthi there's this show that I've been asked ukuthi ngipromote. You see it mapping ngokuya kwesikhathi. And I'm trying to approach all boys abaneng to say, yo, can you obviously maybe I'm a feelers that one and that's where it starts usually and that aba vela bazacha from 12 to maybe I'm a superstar maybe seqalisa ukungena. It's common. And then the first thing that they talk about,
Richard.
bro, I'm a Rex. There's omunye boys wanjela wathi $400. Dog, I don't even charge that much.
$400 for what?
For a DJ set.
Yeah, for a DJ
For how
set.
long?
Abafana sebeambitious.
45 minutes.
Ah, man,
45 minutes.
ngicela nokukhuluma.
Mana phela. Angabe ngakaqedi. Right. Price in that age and yes, it's valid but you can't talk about artists that were on the come up kudala when our come up is now. So when things are different, the movies about us 10 years later are going to be telling this story. What's relevant now ngokwenzakala khathesi. And
history
what's
changes.
happening now is now the promoter needs to own a sport. When a promoter owns a sport or an event, when he is booking you because of your social capacity. Do you understand? I'm not booking you for vibes, Mcin. And it's been that way from a very long time ago. There's no nigga that booked a Drake when he was going to bring Utambando his home U40 or something like that. Do you get it? There's no nigga that's gonna book UK Breeze when he's gonna come with Mcini and Takutu. Baby 3 kona ba.
Bebe 2 umgcini lo Takutu
And-
ngoba yena uyabe perform.
So azimbali.
Swasimbali. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Vele throughout the reigns of time, Jay, vele, the entertainers were to attract abantu. That's why people pay ridiculous amounts of money for these people. But then, now I feel like the youngsters these days, and there's a stage that they're trying to skip. Price usually calls it paying school fees. Umuntu ehle mina kufunakala 4 pin. I don't think they even have the slightest idea how much shows make or
Mina-
how risky shows are.
Abona ama-picture ku-Instagram phela.
Hayi.
Ngibabona
Mina
ama-numbers.
umbono wami ngento le uzathanda ukuba mude. But into le kumele uyikhangele njengebusiness. Yabo? Ibusiness kule market vele already khona. It's either into eyenziwa abantu abaningi o nxa ungena kulomuntu oyi1 wena ube ngowes2 izinto mele izinto ezi-influencer how much then you charge. Sesifaka into context o-DJ baningi yabo o-DJ baningi like koBulawayo lapha like even you're a DJ ilonke lapha liyakwanisa uku-DJ la
DJ mina umthongo wenza ukuthi wayafunda.
hawu la usufunda futhi
DJ Sunglasses,
Sifuba.
DJ Mabona Kude.
Sifuba. DJ Sifuba.
yabo like already i-market of ukungena kiyona ulomroba wabantu like abakade vele be-DJ bro.
But
But
the
it's
question
Zwan.
is, what do you have
It
to
adds in
offer
the-
that's
Zwan,
different from
but
what
Zwan-
they're doing?
Before
Angaqedi.
Qeda, just a second.
Oh mina ngiyamvuma ukuthi before uqede kodwa
Just,
yona ngokuyini.
China, no, right.
i-arts industry injalo Chomdama. And
Eh.
at some point in time there were too many rappers.
YMCMB.
Uyangizwisisa? So at the end of the day, it's just what's booming at the time.
Hayi
Uyabo?
piano i-hip hop entsha.
So it's like exactly yabona.
Bemfuna ukuthini? Ukuthi ithi business injalo ilabantu abaningi injalo.
Eh.
Factor in ukuthi ukuliphilizwe bro.
Yeah.
Ilizwe lethu vele alila income esivumela ukuthi sihambe siyogida.
Eh.
Yebo siyahamba nje ngoba izihlobo
Sinamasela.
World Remit
Eh.
lokuyizana uthi
Mix
siyele
and
eceleni.
menu.
Ongama
Yabo?
e-wallet kono.
Yabo lawo bamba bambi. But vele economy yethu ifahlakele from phezulu le ukuthi wena mawuzathi ufuna ukuba ngu-DJ Karesi and ucharge $400 yet
Singakabi kwazi.
asikwazi yet umuntu abantu
Ababuya bezokubona
Abahlaba-
abaholi 400.
abantu abahlabela ibizo lakhe engakangena esitejini
Ababhadalwa 400.
ayifiki 400 yabo. And also I blame social media for creating these unrealistic expectations.
been inflated.
Ukuthi wena just because uvula TikTok yakho wabona Black Coffee lapha neshala lapha nesiyibhida uthi fuck 400.
But
Yeah.
No, but another thing, you know what? I think another problem is the fact yokuthi abantu ba misinformed.
Yeah.
Because instead of, as an artist, I feel like it's your own duty ukuthi uyenze research yakho wethu. So you can't be charging into oyicabanga ngeke ukhiphe i-charge ezibunu just because ubonke kade noVowsburg kulokhu zile. bekugcwele.
Bekugcwele.
So just because bekugcwele and bekulabantu abayi 5,000.
Asubakho, asabalantanga wena.
So bekulabantu abayi 5,000.
Khiphe ngaphi?
Okay, guys.
Celeni
Ngiyalizwa.
kwama-piles.
Ezinye izinto esingazilanzelelile yabo.
Right. Guys, ngiyalizwa elikukhuluma yani. But the thing is, thina lapha esikhona like elizweni lethu lelani. Kulezinye izinto ezingayenzakalanga ku-entertainment industry endaweni eziningi yani. So much that we've mastered ukuthi the wrong thing is the right thing. And into ekhona, I've always said this ukuthi koBulawayo silama promoter. Silama businessmen that make money through entertainment.
Bryce,
Not people.
thina abangani
Wait,
bakho
Milo,
ngama-promoter.
kudala umisa
Batshela
abanye.
sola to their face.
Lalela nje, lalela.
DJ promoter.
Into ekhona.
Business.
Abantu abaningi vele abakho ku-entertainment business. They are just doing business in entertainment. So now, for them, for their business to make sense, they need an artist, abati crowd puller, right? Once they have a crowd puller, even ama supporting acts, okay, if I'm going to book Utesh ufuna $200, I need to make sure ukuthi Utesh uzabuya labantu abayi 200 abazabhadala ama $10, then I make my profit. So now wait Milo, angalendi nisasemoyeni milele airport.
Ithi sibukelwe la.
Khala sibasikhangele esithule nje.
Never sengikhatshana.
So now
Wasamuzwa.
Ngicabanga ukuthi.
in other countries it's still happening. Okay, it's all about the event. We've got a headliner, right? People are expecting to see the headline. But before the headliner plays, right? Ngubani umuntu esingamfaka ohambelana lalokho. Okay, I saw this other person endaweni enjani. Can I put you on? Bakulanda Jack because they've seen you somewhere. Because it's promoted. Okay, I've seen you do a thing. Mfunu ukhethe ndrezelwa. But it doesn't happen here. You can speak Mile.
Right. So you're saying ukuthi koBulawayo silama promoters labo businessmen. And the number one thing they are likely to look at is ukuthi so and so is a crowd puller, so our event is likely to be a success and
Hey,
But
like,
who is the crowd puller at Bulawayo?
But yazi mina.
Fuck no, bro.
Wena,
But I was
ithi landa wena esamuriwo
Eh?
kadini.
you don't
Silanda
believe in
wena
yourself.
esamuriwo.
What you mean you don't? I don't
What's
believe
the
in
Luchwana?
myself.
Milo,
mngani wami.
Milo, lalela. Malela. Ilokhuzeni. I-crowd puller nje kan. Even uzabuya labantu abayi 10. That's a crowd.
But
2 is a couple, 3 is what?
But mina sorry ngicelana ukubulela i-conversation le yonke. Like I really feel like it's high time on this podcast as well and other platforms. Like siqalisa uku-encourage ukuthi abantu badinga imisebenzi futhi.
Yeah.
Because
Uzakela uba nolanga into ezithi.
because yabona bro, ama-frustration, promoter, businessman, like
So kayi mabasa bakomani.
like sike sibe yazini ngicabanga ukuthi sike sibe le conversation yokuthi alright sharp gares for umuntu ongasebenziyo endlini gares like who unemployed but he has data to watch us yini angayenza yabona like ukuthi kube le mali ebuyayo uyabo la ngizwe ukuthi ndini bengafuna ukubulala i-conversation but I just thought I should just share that
Ukuthi
you can continue.
I mean, my only question was who is a crowd puller koBulawayo?
Tathi Mike.
Umuntu guys like imgcina ipoint yakhe umuntu guys yathengisa amagwinya yathengisa amasamusa etown lapha ya 65.
So mana kulezinto esike sa trend recently kuthiwa kulo mama othengisa amatamatisi oyenza 5,000 ngenyanga.
Uyasibelieve guys like uyabudala lo wena.
$5,000.
wenza 5,000 amatamatisi angu 5,000.
Hayi uyenza $5,000 through selling amatamatisi.
Uyawuda.
Kodwa ukuthi yiwapi?
Alana amatamatisi angikhona afika 5,000.
I'm nangwazi.
But amatamatisi athengwa.
Hamba lo Undertaker.
5,000.
Hamba lo Undertaker
Inyama esingakwenzela imali engaka.
Yeah.
5,000.
But anyways, in terms of ukucharge lapana, let's be realistic.
Oh kumbe indlela charge ngayo
Mina
amatamatisi.
do you know what
No lapha angisakhulumeli even okwamathematics. Going back to umbuzo kaMayile
Yeah,
esiqale ngawo
yeah,
ukuthi
Niyazi uqeda
let's be
ukuthi-
realistic, bro.
Mina, sathi seNamibia, we actually had a guy sit us down and say, imali lithatha. Like, do you just pull a number out of your head because it's industry standard? And then he gave us,
Because
which
it's
is,
supposed to have a breakdown. Which
yeah,
makes
then
sense.
he actually asked us to what, and then we came with a, mina ungambusi in chacha, and I can always tell you. Umuntu wathi, do you know even if ungahambe e-Chronic, ucela ukulokuzi ad, ufake i-ad, wakuthetha is-charge $167 for your ad space. If you bother, ask them why they charge that much. They'll tell you we have this much readership, we have this much in your area. They always have a certain kind of demographic broken down. Mina, Tina, but this was the time when I was signed in Namibia. The amount we used to charge would always depend on who we were performing because we could tell you ukuthi ku venue le kulabantu abangu-30 abangena belanded. Venue le yangena abantu abangu-800 but i-30
It's landed too.
we can tell you i-30 is landed.
But like selake laba kuma situation ukuthi swakwayala igig. Maybe ongavumelani like ama principles akahambelani lento abathi or even I principle but brand alignment.
Asela principle.
Like I brand alignment yakho engakuvumeli ukuthi like selake laba kuma situation ukuthi
And I think the only situation
Yes,
is
yake
having
abakhona
a
mcimbi.
mile.
And futhi into lengangayikhuluma nsithi there are other gigs that you would rather DJ for free because uzagaina I-social capital and amanye be-offer
akula event enja
mana Milo
Price
Right.
bawuthesa ngo-2 emini laba.
Mana
Uthesa
Milo
ukunike exposure.
Mana Milo
We're
Mana
cutting
Milo
exposure.
mina I'm speaking from
Ah.
13 years experience when I'm speaking from 3 years experience anyway lalela from right into engitsho yana
how
Awukwenza lokho.
Kuruma price.
Right, in the corner, there are events ukuthi you can DJ for free. Uzikhethe and okay. Lapha nxa lingafuni ukumbhadala, I understand, but I can see ukuthi I can gain much from playing here and gathering content
Because
here.
kulama prospective employers.
Exactly. Then kube sekusiba lezinye indawo ezokuthi iyabuya imali Ajax yakunika 300. Then you look at the stage, you look at everything ukuthi okay, abantu laba, the type of people they are, is going to mess up with your brand. You can get that money, bekunike imali ongakaze uyihole, and then that's your last paycheck ever.
Sebekuthelela ulaka wagcina
Exactly.
usiba
Even
off.
that when
Uyakwazi ukuthi
it comes to hiring out equipment, it's the same thing. Kulabanye abantu esithi, I know we can't give you equipment for our event. Even
athi mina
imali
kodwa
neneni.
nalesaba na anti ama event angibona silawo la and like name the event price ungathi kulamanye ama event mina ngiyakutshela khathesi ukuthi it's pointless for you to go and play at Hinde at 2 kuthiwe child exposure because there's no one
No one
there.
was coming at 2.
What
True.
exposure are you getting? If you are playing for free there, they should give you a 7.
But la kosungathi usuqedile.
Kanti Milo, angizange ngikutshele, ngakutshela.
Ngachala.
I once
It
told
doesn't
him,
matter here.
Milo.
For your
But it does.
resume,
So,
though.
let me tell you, I
Hey,
don't your objectives is change.
Hey, Baba.
Me for example, let me tell you, me for example.
For singers and teachers, I think it's different.
Yeah, because then for me, ungathiwa uCasper utenzo opener for Mahamti. I don't even care who's there because once I'm done, I have that on my CV. Now I can say, yeah, I performed at Philip, I performed at what, and
Cook-
then I
cook
can use
my
that
guy, cook
to
my
charge
guy.
more money.
Liyabona ukuthi into lezi zonke lezi
Kodwa amabasa.
silapha ngoba asilamsebenzi. Uhulumende asiniki umsebenzi.
Bangitshela something.
Because khangela bro, amajita wona la sithi ngama promoter. The pros are trying. I-situation is better bro, like i-economy better, amajita azama ukuthi kube le something eyenzakalayo. But the fact that is something yona le abayizamayo ku-economy na le very better bro. Yiyo esingane isimake sense karesi. So mele siqali sikuba question bona ukuthi barilina why lisenza so. Sichi ukuthi vele
No, mina I was-
system ivele messed up.
I was
bro.
only
Shouldn't be
speaking.
this.
I was only speaking on i-point erezwe ngubhudas and ukuthi kulamanye ama events and ukuthi you can see ukuthi you'd rather play for free and you're gonna gain such and such and such. Mina I said let's name drop. Yiphi mina ngicela ungitshele khathesi ukuthi i-event ongahamba uyecha mahara kiyo khathesi
Yeah,
and
no
you're gonna
price.
go and you're gonna get 10 more gigs from that free gig that you played at. Yiphi and give me an example ukuthi Chomlo wachala pana mahara khathesi career yakhe inje. I doubt he can name any.
Mina, can I say something?
Dude,
Because akula msebenzi.
Man.
get 3 years zakho. Okay, for example, khathesi if I get called, price uzo DJ akukunye. Uzo DJ
Aye.
akucha. No,
Ukuma
you
yabulawayo.
said all right, even
Lapha machimbos la.
Ngokhuluma.
Here.
Ngokhuluma. Ngocha answer.
sure.
into ayichoyo uMilo linear, because we have to understand ukuthi kathesi the way social media works, bro. You don't only look at getting exposure through one
In
field.
one locuzeni, yeah.
So we do have an answer for that, but it's not in the lane yet. When I'm on DJ, exposure suyithatha ngokuzo host podcast. You gig usuyenza ukuthola podcast. Usuyithola ngokuya acting drama, because you have to break out of your immediate market. Iproblem esila because of the size of the city. The same people that were at that event might be the same people at this event. That's why you might feel like I can play at this event and then I still don't break into a new market. You break into a new market, maybe.
Plus akula mali koBulawayo, guys. Let's be realistic, bro. Akula akula mali.
Uyazi mfu ukukhuluma something into athi ngicabanga.
Angani bami mina lingizwa.
Mfu ukukhuluma. Mina ngiyakuzwa but ngithi wena unokulinear, you are still thinking of DJ.
Para simniye wena.
Uyakwazi. Right, I don't want to market this DJ. There's a new DJ. Wangenayo wafundisa uku-DJ. What DJ at a stage esasisinda for the first time for exposure. Lagates that DJ is earning more than amanyama DJ alabo experience.
Umbuzo wami ukuthi ngumfazi kumbe indoda uDJ wama.
Bayi 3, 2 ngama-gents, 1 nguchair.
Okay.
Ulesibona. Sorry.
Daddy.
But anyways, ku-podcast sasikhuluma amakaka la. Sasikhuluma amakaka, uThuvi.
Built industry.
Dala sacile ukukhuluma like into ezingayakhiyo.
This is not where you come from.
Awulanto engala engekho serious ufuna
To answer your question.
Nah,
Here's a breakdown to pricing yamajita wana la abo no name abayenzayo. Ukuthi grocery ye-family of 4 imalini and amagetsi imalini.
Ambona ukuthi bacabanga igrocery.
No. Trust me. Umuntu lo is probably thinking ukuthi okay, what benefit can I bring at home? Because
now serious ngokuletha isinkwe endlini awungeke.
Do you know what I hate? Do you know what I hate about entertainment? Do you know what I hate about entertainment? There is no bar you have to pass. For example, with any other profession, ungathi ngingu-teacher, wafunde UCE. Ungathi ngingudokotela, uyasitshela wafunda ngabusebenza. Ungazi ukuthi ngini. Uyakwazi uyavuka next week, I'm a rapper, bro. Sesomele sihlale lawo isihambe kwele initiatives kulalela la discuss ama
bro, mina yakwazi into le iyangicaphula vele la kaThesi.
Entertainment industry yonke ibonile.
Ukuthi umuntu angambuza ukuthi ngenzani. Ngiyathi ngenza i-podcast. Athi lani.
Mina check andiyabonthi. Alright, so lapha. Alright. Do we have an entertainment industry or not?
No, koBulawayo.
Ikhona, but
yes, but it's crippled.
Yes.
We just have gigs.
As long as people are entertained.
Lapha kula
people are
as long as
entertained.
abantu bale source of entertainment
People are
ikhona.
entertained.
Ngama gigs.
But it's crippled.
Industry code.
No
Phela lingathi ngoba into
wheelchair.
lingathi ngoba into ayela mali ayikho.
Ayikho.
Ngoba
Ikhona
selithekisa
So
but
lapha
Ngoba
ma-gents nitshela ukuthi
Ngoba
lapha
bethu
there's people that play for exposure and get exposed.
apparent.
Yeah.
When I was young,
lingathi ngoba into ayela
Ukuplay
mali.
exposure.
Ngoba selithekisa babili.
Ngakwenza sibili but angizange lakhathesi angikho exposed. So akwambona ngiplay mina anyway wena.
ku TikTok.
But anyways,
So
uthe kule nto engikho serious ofuna sikhulume ngayo.
Ngicela ukuthi how do you break the ice when you want to start an orgy?
Indaba ngani yasiplanela Thesha.
Na vele bengafuna ukuya namuhla.
Haya, ongazwanga uzabukela
But
i-podcast.
actually uqinisile ungakhohlwa phela thina for a long time abantu abukela i-podcast othi orgians. This was kind of our thing for a while.
That was on brand, but now you guys want to come here and be serious
I have a feeling
and end up offending people.
phela i-podcast le ile 5 years le yakwazi. Kuwe kwaba leminyaka la akade zikhuluma idoti. Akunomntu disithatha serious. But I think in le feeling ukuthi kulabanye abantu esasijoka nabo kuma comments lapha ngento zama orgy lama drugs besithatha serious. Ngiyakwazi umnyeke ngikhuluma ngakho.
Nyawazi.
Esathi ba shocked that ukuthi nanzelela ukuthi kanti thina siyajoka la.
I urge you don't break the ice. You just start.
How?
So keep it
I'm genuinely asking.
Listen, you are genuinely asking. I'm giving you an answer. You and I will start right here, right now. But join it.
Kanjalo nje.
Try.
Manje sibalane vele singavunisa join. 7 versus 2 ne.
yagcina kubethela umuntu oyi-1
Also, wait. What actually?
No, you start.
No, all right. Sense until you
Sukhuluma
just start.
kakhulu, anti abanye
Also,
all talk now.
also
Mina,
now.
but manitshela.
Ufuna siqale.
Mina manitshela.
Mdala.
Mina I think i-trick oji futhi kuswela i-base kube ne-base eliyi-1. Ngoba i-problem yabanye lama-base amanye kulola loyaleli.
Okunye sitshaya i-edge. Mase
but akuna
kukhulile phela noni
influence
yakuhlala uyi-1.
Because clearly
Yabo,
angeke ngithi
kulama
ngisobha
room.
ngihle ngifuna ukuthi sihle siqale kunje so. Because I feel like they need to be hey.
i-8 siyaphela
I think at these days ayisazi
ayisaphemi ya
Ale o-breeze inwele zikhule zibe ngaka
hey mfana.
Because kumele kube lento engithumayo thize. Because I've been thinking about this and I'm thinking I once walked into some people. I went for a party, right?
Ulabanga bengakubizanga continue.
Lalela ngahambe epartini. Ngapha ngisukusuka. Then ngathi ngu-in drive I realized I forgot my wallet.
How? This is recent.
wathi ubuyela
Athi mbuyela ngafica abantu beasekho.
Wathi wasehambile.
babemelele ukuthi uhambe
Dana simile la.
But kodwa na wena hayi. Abantu laba i-4 player chance kanti bani ngo.
Hayi
Kanje.
ncela kuyi-club bevele belento yakho.
Plus abantu babebuyela abantu babantu.
No, but I think even
ojenale.
No,
Then
ukuthi
what you
umuntu
said
ubuyela
I'm
umuntu-
in drive
No,
ufika
abantu
kopha.
babuyela abantu no umuntu angahamba drive wangikhona ngahamba la umuntu angasuka la epartini. La wayengela partner njengami.
babe sithi nina nibhize
Isithutha lesi.
isithutha iziyeleli.
Base in drive.
wesikhona butosi zathi seziwili sathi
Uyabona benzani? Angangani ibhuti wami?
nasambe
Ehleze emuva.
Komele senze.
kade sizobuza thina lapho
Umuntu
ku-podcast
wabona
ukuthi wena ithuba wawulalo
Lingu-2 lifike somewhere. I'm assuming you guys were inebriated. Lalinathini?
Yes. He wasn't my type.
usachecka amathayipi
Wena,
futhi lawo
ngesintu kule nto kuthiwa ilele ngophondo leyazi into kuthiwa ilele ngophondo inkomo lapha nebi isiwiki siqamele ngophondo phansi wona somele uphonga ufike
Afana mbada wafunde ezigcele ezishabu 10 inebriated.
Inebriated.
Eh? Twani?
Inebriated.
Inebriated.
afunde
Yes.
efusa nzwanga uthi 10 uthi
Yeah. Twambani.
ize yabanjwe inethi ngalisi
Silisipelele.
Unomunye umuntu
Hayi,
yazi
akula
ibalale
H.
ndikhumbule ngani.
Akula
Unomunye umuntu
H ngu INE
Hayi, ngicabanga
BRIA.
aphrodisiacs.
what the fuck
What?
ite inebriated
No, it's a synonym for intoxicated.
Aphrodisiacs are drinks that encourage ilokhu zenini ama
Sexual appetite.
It's not a drink. Any
Yes,
substance.
and inebriated
Substance.
is someone
Anything, can be
who's
chocolate,
intoxicated,
can be fruit.
basically.
likhuluma ka-1
Man.
1 at a time
So-
Or we're aphrodisiac, it's sexually related. Then being inebriated is
Udaba.
being intoxicated.
Oh.
inebriated
Yes.
inebriator
So all right.
aphrodisiac singaba yi-fruit singaba yi-
Akade kumhlungu ukuthi
sokungaba
intoxicated
ikambucha.
iwe.
Speaking of yazi ngiyani zalikhuluma amagwinya lapha seqiqa mbucha ngathi leli business abayifuni mbucha scoop esiyi-blue
ikuyini imbucha
Yeah, how many percent?
Kombucha.
8%.
ibala ngiyalazi
manje vele
Or
sesinatha
8% you lied.
imbucha
Jesus.
oyi like sokule brand okuthiwa ikambucha ngoba ikambucha
Yes.
into okwanisa ukuzenzela yona
kambucha into okuze bathi kule brand ikambucha futhi
Mana please.
Kombucha is a thing.
Kombucha le super lamasese kuchene ngani.
oh my
Amasesa
god
anti ngawengwebu.
Something, yeah.
Alright.
ufana isalad lo ana utshela
You know
isalad
that
le
Jack Daniel
isalad
honey,
le
bro.
Ikambucha
That
jeki.
age stuff.
Ilokhu zen ngama-herbs.
FSOP.
They're herbs.
Alolo ngolucoals lolo.
Yabo?
Lolo.
izo zakhona zilisirevita
Yeah. Isupa ngamahewu alelokhu zeni.
Isupha ngamahewa agayiweyo. Isitshwala esigayiweyo sabaya
Sathi
sathelwa
sikhula
amanzi.
kwakuthiwa 7 days. But le ngoba sisesigubhini.
lakhona
7 days ngeviki.
Super.
selibiza amasese ngesikhiwa
And
na
then
7 days
ikambucha ne yabe kuyijinja.
Kunemaduze.
Ah,
days.
magents.
Anti lungiswa
Ikambucha
yi-7
Madoda,
yiyo
days.
phela
madoda,
eyophondo
madoda.
emisayo.
Isigodo khaya, alright.
Madoda. Kwakule
Yeah.
shake
lapho
shake.
conversation ayi-2 la
Manini.
something else
Ngiyawuqinisa iqolo.
Zwana.
oh
Kwakule shake shake.
Ikhona la kathesi.
shake
Isikhathi.
shake international
Lo mkotshozo.
Konke kusakhona.
Konke kusakhona.
Yeah.
Then isuper kubuye sokuyichibuku. From
Eh.
leyani ayi-blue leyani
Hayi
ayifana
ayi brown
shake.
lesivale
Carbonated
siyi-blue.
lettuce.
Brown lesivale siyi-blue
Yeah.
lokhu ikhona. kule chibuku oyisheka so
Le super ngechibuku phela.
ondalele nje
Alright, ngokudescribe umbuzo wakho nyawusithiyanga. Yakazi kunjengani? Is
Mana lapha sesibuyele ema-origin.
Yaziqala likhuluma i-oji selikhuluma amasese. Yazi liyadigressa la. What describe amasese, Brian?
okunye lo Kenya sokuyikuyini mayilo. Sokusiya ukuthi kubrew njani, kubrew mbani,
yeah
kupackage njani.
no mina bemfuna ukulista nje kuphela engikwazi yanti and then bese ngifuna ukuzwisisa 7 days ukuthi yavela ngayo
Ekuthini phela ibrew ilokhuzwa ifermenta 7 days for 7 days.
Ukhona sokwasenzela amasese la umbe ngiyedwa.
Ngiyathi nawe azenzele
So
amaru.
ngulona ohamba
Oh,
okay uyethenga ilokhuzeni impuphu liya.
Serious bafana bami.
Eh?
Ngitwa ngulona ohamba okay uyethenga impuphu liya okuthiwa thela amanzi uphela uvale.
Isogam tontoni phayethesa
Uyazibekela
ama-package.
edeni ufake yeast wena.
Yeah, usuyiyekela ifermente phela.
Anyways, nombuzo la. Usesiqedile usuthola i-answer yakho elokuze nini?
Ochi.
anona ngikutshelile ukuthi senzeni
Sekutshele lo zenini.
Oh, do you know
Angikho
the
inebrated.
difference between is always about if the people are attracted to you or not, because abantu songabathola bezitshayela lapha niskentshwa. Wena ufika ubamba ipato ujoin ube successful. Or ufika ubamba ipato ubotshela i-assault, sexual assault.
Yeah.
So these things, qala uzicheck ukuthi uyanqantshisa yini la. That's what the person is. So usiyenza lokho kuyi.
Because also in an orgy, aren't you supposed to like exchange partners? and
Asikwazi
whatnot?
khona mina ngikwazi.
Anganama ngikwazi.
No.
Enye problem
How far?
futhi yazini. I-problem with i-standard futhi eliclass ngise Pornhub. Labana abaclean ba bleach ama butthole. Ningazigethi ngabantu laba. Mase likwenza lokho e-morning side lilodwa. Ngelight leni light saver le 6 watt leni. Akufanani.
lo sinentokozo
Wena ngikwazi ukuthi usine wakwenzani wena.
uma ngika
Lawo
Akufanani.
sikha
Yiki into lezi athi kumele ukudakiwe.
no man
Ubudakiwe.
barimana before
Ah,
ham.
but you also
Vele
mentioned
sesinga-
indaba
sesi-
yelokuzeni. You mentioned indaba ye-attraction. Attraction, because it also matters. Because I'm thinking, no matter how drunk I am, if we're ungafuna ukujoyina, say I'm already having sex with Milo since he already offered, and then
Podcast
Bazana
lezi
lawo.
yachinja tempo le.
listen,
Podcast lezi yachinja
since
tempo.
mina no Milo have already
Bayazana.
started, and looking at the rate between amacheri lamajites lapha, askwanela na. Which means kuzamele kube lama threesome teaser. Someone is supposed to be blowing and getting back shots at
But
the same
vele
time.
mina
But
ngicela-
now the thing is,
You just can't. Yeah.
Plus guys ngicelani
Angakudlule nje, like that.
like ama conversation anje ngimpost i-PS5 recently.
Ngasemba ikhanda khona ukuthi this is not a good space for me currently.
Ha,
cala uzodlala uTekken.
awubenza ukudlalisa. Zaqale ngizwe kodwa ukuthi bayokudlalisa yini but ama
Also-
conversation endala Jesu.
Also, nxalisa airport lapha lihlangabeza izihlobo zenu. Hakani lidlule. Linika abanye chance. Ngoba sokugcina sekule traffic jam lapha.
Yini yenza yena?
Abantu sebezama ukuthi abanye belokhu abanye lokhu bethu gogo baswika. Suphuma ku video yami mina ngihlangabeza icherry yami airport. Sithi gogo baswika. Hakani lidlule.
And ama aesthetics angona igcine
Fucked up
ngasaphuma.
ndoda. Fucked up.
Agcine
Cha
ngasaphuma.
udlule.
Somele
Cherry
upost
yami.
i-video ufake ingoma
So
instead
many
of
Ciao Post Malone sithi congratulations. Mina kade ngifuna ukukhuluma leThomlama.
But anyways umbuzo wami bosithi nansi i-situation la guys. uMilo ulochera amana ngathi uMilo. Mina ndochera ngimfunayo yabo. And lina lengabo bro bami yabo. Then it happens ukuthi uCherry lwana abesefuna lina. Mina ngamfuni.
Eish, wena ngaba usitshela ithi majensi mina ngizama ukuphusha lapha.
Mina majenzi ngizama ukuphusha lapha. But ngithi ngizama ukuphusha lapha. Maybe
Ubone
let's
vele
say
usigijimisela mina.
siku Garden of Ours. Vele sebesekhonini lo Milo lapha nengoMilo vele sikhuluma la imkhangele so.
when you are approved.
why mina ngi-example
When do you approve?
Angiyabuza ukuthi i-situation
Ihendwa
enjani.
njani?
Yiko phela nguthiwa when do you approve? Because now it's already clear that I don't want you. So if I want your friend, do you approve if I go to your friend?
Aye, but I think
Because me and you, akula connection.
That's a tough one.
But there
Aye.
could be between me and your friend.
ikhona ime ngubone kuqala
Hayi umbolile mina ngubone.
hayi but anti sabe singakachayi phum phum enchanting
i-situation
uthini
leyo
uthini
Tell us
phum
where
phum enchanting
ungakachayi.
sasingakachayi uyabe usurwadzirwelani manje
i-situation leyinje so
Hayi, but
kumele bese kuchaye
thina vele into yethu bisi-right
Bengakabona umngane wakho.
that's fucked up.
Bengakabona umngane wakho.
but besisi-right not ukuthi
Which means asisekho right. Because now I was rash in my decision making.
Mina abangani bami bonke abahle ngithanda ukuhamba labo first. Ungavela ufune mina ngihamba nomgcini uthi uvela ufuna mina. Yabo? Hayi bona umgcini uthi next week.
awungasenzi njalo nje
Namajita bonke hot asala ku passenger seat.
Yes.
Neno
princess.
ungangipika ngihamba labo. Sengikwazi ngisafe.
pari khona into but ungenzi njalo
mina
Bangazicabanga kakhulu.
Ngani ukhona semcabangile.
amele uzithembe mabona
mina all I can say is Jake,
It's a fucked up one, huh?
I not even Jake. The problem ukuthi thina amajita wa sexual beings by nature. Yabo? Like sex is like a job opportunity. Ungaqhatsha useyasebenza nje.
Istatements anosikhulumileyo ngisithandi ngoba zivele si-useless. Uthi was sexual beings by nature.
We are all sexual
Abantu
beings.
sexual by plastic. You get what I'm saying?
Ayi. Angazi alright maybe
nole excuse yakhe yokuthi amadoda afeba
Uthi
alright maybe ngithi socially it's been drilled into us thina amajita ukuthi ayivele thina standa very activity there. Uyabo?
Uthi maybe not even ukuyithanda, ukuyuza as a measure of self-worth.
la uzuthi
Wona leyi measure yakho of self-worth.
No, I swear, bro. In my mind, I was doing weight, the weight of something. But I realized now. Lavana sorry, Lava.
Yazi ngakunanzela ukuthi usule tricep right now.
I mean, fuck you.
fanana nama-40 owathi pipe what esithi pipe yesiwage
Hey, what's it? What's it?
pipe
Mina all I'm saying is and I've seen this happen too many times, Jeng. Ukuthi ndoda mina ndoda ngathi kulelinye ide mina kule enye intwana yayintwana yami sibili cherry.
ucheri wayintwana yakho
What I to cherry I refer to cherry as intwana.
lenzela ukuthi
Not to
likhipane kahle
demean you guys or anything. And
No, why intwana yakho as in your friend?
why cherry?
Platonic. Oh.
wayecheri yakho okay
Not the
Oh,
girlfriend,
why
why
my?
cherry? Why my?
Labi mislead laba.
Let me confuse.
Alright, why menye?
alright wayime yakho
Alright.
And so
Imenya.
it so happened ukuthi utshelwana wathutsha mina ngisendlini. And then that day ngangile girlfriend yami.
Mana lo wayini.
Wayimenye phela.
Okay, sengikuzwa.
So
And so ethutsha that day
wayesiza kuphela.
kwayisite
ngile girlfriend yami man. So mina I'm surprised because our arrangement is clear. Sengimangela kara ufunani la ethi awungasabandandanga wena.
What the fuck?
Ngena khusu yeserumini lemember yami. Asokuhlaba umkhosi akwenzako. Now I can't complain because utshelo wami ukhona.
lo wakulaya lo
Laba ngila rules of engagement. Laba Geneva Convention.
Yabo utsheya kandanga
I-contract yayi-16.
angizondiswa liwule nje vele iwule yele ndlela. Zwana. Engutsho mina
sifisela
Man.
siqalisa episode
Mind.
hayi.
Yazi
Ukuthulisela
bemphuma something.
khonokho nje. Ukuthulisela khonokho yikho kuyenza ama highlight angayisiyo. Alright. Back to the story. And ekade ngutsho mina is ukuthi uTherilwana yena ngokwakhe wabona the better option. For example, ekade ngikhuluma ngakho
But
thina
ukuscreama
ezamajita
so it's not because umchita way better option. Wayesenzela wena.
ngaba mina kwakungacomplain.
Owenza
Ngaba mina
senzo.
sengikhala ukuthi nami ngascreama so umuntu lo nje.
Aweza kusuja.
Kwakuyi act.
Angilandanga wena. Ngiyakusuper kicka mina ngiyaku.
Now I can't get angry because my actual girlfriend is there.
But
then
wait, what about bro code? Aren't you bros with this
Akula
Lobuzeni?
bro emaholeni.
ibroko mana ibro code lokhu apply
Akula nje, i-apply.
Usemacherini ngale kule
Asebroke road before sivala vele sesivala ibro code ngo 2026 ithini
Singabuza lina.
Mina I think say update and it just says ukuthi unga approach i-girlfriend yemember yakho.
Or but nxa so girlfriend akulanda.
Kula pressure.
Jake,
La nxa usomember yakho
i-girlfriend yemember yakho ngubafo.
phela ama criteria lapha nayi2 apha sisi ilole girlfriend lo member yakho
Yeah.
ngoba we have to qualify what is a girlfriend, we have to
And
qualify to
what
be
is-
member yakho.
True.
Then the law stands.
So nxa engaso member yakho
Akulanda.
akula pro code.
Yabona
Yeah.
mawuthelelwane seku-actel and that's when you decide ukuthi ngitsho yakho or not.
Angathanda
Yiko sokumele uhlale-
amaconversation after 2 weeks or something. Ngiyacela.
Yiko sokumele
Ngase keep this weekend
yiko
episode.
sokumele uhlale phansi and decide ukuthi wait.
episode yayo
Umayelo
wabesichasisa.
is my homie. Sokumele ukucabanga
Uzwe ukuthi
ukuthi ngingamcela impuphu.
imbumbu. Actually ngeke bafike 3 weeks or something. Ngiyacela. Lawa sengicela. Otherwise I'm pending ufuna ngiyacela.
Manu mayelo yenu yabeyithethe nga.
So really.
Yeah.
But now imvumela nti criteria is
Loku
ngitsho
right,
mlami.
Sesifika 1 hour, lisitshele singafika 1 hour sifale. Sesihamba phela. Sifungahamba, siyajola.
Hayi Jack.
Must be nice Tina sijole.
Abangajoliwe.
Yikho plan ama OG.
Tiyazi mina labangani bami sidlalisa isikhathi. 2 hours.
Everyone will go and
And everyone will come.
sonke siyaphuma ngawana akulaza ukuthi hey uzibani bani usehamba akula muntu olengibe special
Yakula.
sonke angazi swi right
For sure.
mina I was saying and ade mfuna ukubuza something and ukuthi I was watching this other show okuthiwa ngu All American and that rugby series I don't know if you guys know
I
it
saw rugby, try American football.
Bahlabelana nje.
right awuthini bapha
Umuntu ohlabela
udelana
uChero wakho nomnawa.
100 no da
Manini
Right.
likhuluma
Oh, you've never watched it?
right
Never watched it.
what I was picking
Lalela.
up from that show and is ukuthi you know it's like yakubone umuntu esenza something ku TV maybe let's say ekhuluma nomzali wakhe so ephomba ukuthi shut up mom uyethuke so ucanga ukuthi ungakhuluma into enjalo kowakho mama so into engayenzakala kuwo
Yeah.
yakubona so now I was looking at those shows and like I'm seeing like a lot of those that are encouraging abantwana to speak up against abazali that are encouraging abazali to have relationships labantwana babo as if they are friends and whatnot that are encouraging abazali to give abantwana privacy as if they are adults like a parent who walking
Can we go back to the title? What's it called?
All American
It's not
it's
African.
just one of the shows manengi vela ama shows
It's not
anjalo
African
But
enough.
vele
and
but
my
ale-
Zimbabwe.
right
Mashaka
giving
ale influence bela.
ale influence ngaba because we consume a lot of that it landed here vele All Americans imbuke nangu Brazil hleka basabela
Asimbukele eBoston.
you understand
Ah,
so now
Little
my
Abazali
question is do you feel like there's like a considered effort to try and dissolve what the parental structure in Africa used to be into something entirely different because I'm seeing it even in a lot of kids kulabo tshela abanengi yabona ijindeni ligqoyile ongabantwana okuningi so like teenagers sebethanda vele ukugqoka bazithi ngama stud it's like it's the in thing
fuck?
I know for a fact mina ngikhaya uphuma ugqoka ibhruku inkazana akusompakela encane uyithola la mbane impakela oyi combination yempama lesibhakela
Impakela.
yeah
For me I think especially to abazali. Nxa ngumzali umthetho ufaka umntwana akayenza into omtshela yena uyenza into oyibona wena uyenza. So if ungumzali and ufuna ukuthi umntana wakho asonte you have to go to church kwa wena ungumzali. Angeke utshele umntwana ukuthi ungagqoki ibhrugu wena uligqoka.
Endlini yami.
But uyabuligqoka njengomzali musa. Ngizalithenga ligqokela komngane endlini wena yabunga kwasini le bhrugu but ngizalifaya setsheli ngeligqokela komngane.
Yakwazi abadala kudala like besayithela isibhaxo huti lapha. Wakutshela thi andamntwana onathayo
Yena
kulama black label le efridge.
yama shake
And
shake.
umthetho abantu babewubamba bengawulukhuzi.
But now
So wena mawusithi mina as a parent of course angiyali kumele ngilide by exam
Children learn what they live.
but ezinye izinto ngimdala la uzaba mdala ukuthi ukwenze
It's
khona
not your time.
akusisikhathi sakho so manje utshela ngithi wena hamba eChurch mina nsiya ku-podcast hambe nje
ngoba ungathi wena susenze enye into engiyenzayo phela mina mbhepha unyoko mfana uthini lapha ekhaya uthini lapha ekhaya You know what I'm saying?
yabo
So I think right, it's a 50-50 thing.
kule enye podcast umayela esithi khona iproblem ukuthi abazali sebenza abantwana abangani babo
Benza abantwana njani?
Abangani
abangani
babo.
babo
for example
yikho khona lokhu ukuthi umntana wakho sumenza umngani wakho you understand and
I want my daughter to be comfortable enough to tell me anything. Mntanami.
Lapha
Uzongitshela ukuthi ulani ule boyfriend mntanami.
antu yabo so khathesi okunye ngabazali abazenzelayo
Do you know that's part of my squabble with the AI? Because I'm actually data and say I don't mind niggas going to AI for objective information like calculations,
Nah,
and
lapana-
not for opinions.
lapana
Because
angisingi lapha.
AI pulls data from people. So AI umntanako ayilalelayo ngayisithi my parents or where is it pulling data from? It's not
The questions you're asking.
Ithathe Colorado Springs.
When I I've got a theory about the AI. I can't see what, unlike maybe let's say besides maybe its ability to generate stuff a bit faster, or maybe when it comes to production, when it comes my video, and I know you can tell it what to do. But I don't see anything that it's doing differently from Google and Wikipedia.
No. We actually don't have true AI. We're still waiting to get true AI. What we have is Eric Sambi. It's like very advanced learning because it's still getting. The day we actually do get it through AI, immeasure yakona original thought.
Sorry. AI ngu Ultron elwana welokuzeni ku-Avengers.
Yeah, like
Yeah.
That's okay. And
We've
then
never-
any advanced
So
learning with Jarvis.
the
Alright.
day it becomes conscious,
Mana
then you
nguphi
mean
ngilwana oyi-red.
the day it
No,
makes
Jarvis
a new.
Ultron,
What's it
Iron
called?
Man.
What's it called? Do you know?
Aye, uJarvis
that's
uka-
I get what you mean by original thought.
Yeah.
I get exactly what you mean. Because laba umeta AI phela uhambe ubuza, it's like typing Google.
We've just made a quicker machine larger, so it's like it take
Masithi nje,
iqinisile ama-button afike emnyango le. It's still only working lokuze, but it's got a wide lokuze nina. But the day ezazimixela khona yodwa.
abakusela umuntu oqamula isikhiwa these days lokunanzelela
Libukelani.
Wothi ngibe le pressure yokukhuluma izinto eziningi uzasiza isikhiwo sengisiqhamuka.
esokusikhuluma
Mina ngeke ngasiqamula
it's
recent.
just unfortunate ukuthi i-ChatGPT ayikasikhulumeli mina bengikhulumela lesiyana ukuthi abantu
Oh,
abasiqamula.
esokuthayipa.
But anyway singasegweka umayele bebuza ukuthi
All American.
Lokana vele
imkhuba
kuyi-problem.
lana
Thina-
sipenetratileni ngapha
I-globalization yi-problem yayo. Vele sesi-fucked up dog. Mina litshela ukuthi ukuzala umntwana ngo-2026, what's the point? They've already missed everything. uDrake, omkhulu uDrake, okhulu uShawn Michaels, usalandeli.
yeah akaresi hey stop it
And it's fucking horrible.
Lande
now.
wena Kabelo phela.
Ah.
Uhlabele amaduku
I
naduku
mean, I was
AA.
seeing a lot from the stuff that I was watching, and izinto zangikhona, it's like it encourages a lot of black on black violence
100%.
and makes it like look cool.
100%.
And so like ungumntwana and you're looking at that, it's like yeah. Now it brings us back to even what's going on here, like in Africa. There's a lot of black on black violence that is going on, but the true enemy has never been confronted.
Which is?
The white man. Ka.
Yeah.
Because we're still colonized. Land.
Athina sazama phela kadali ngabi ngo-2002
Lizamani.
ukukonfront amakhiwa.
Sasise-crash.
But
No,
right
I'm a
point yakhe.
How?
I'm like
wahambe crash
Eh.
wahambe crash
yeah.
wahambe crash
Nafunde children's home. Amajita ngihleka kwazi. Ngise Ethembiso.
Amakhandeni ngani?
okay breezy bengifuna usibisela
Ike ngafunda khona kanti ngithi.
But crash kule crash
I-crash
labana.
yini?
But ngathi ngitshela amajita ngafunda Ethembiso children's home. Hey.
And very blind kule zikole eziningi futhi ezikhona khona phana in the
Small.
vicinity.
hey kodwa nawe
Kodwa also intandano red.
No. It's like it was far from the point.
Wazithathela abazali.
It was far from the point.
awunzima
Yabo,
But you had a home.
Mano, elite iskola.
Hayi wonke Ndiyalipota. Wonke umuntu weliday labana ndoda. Bale crash laba. It just happens to be on the premises. Plus it was a long time ago, my chance. It was a very long time ago.
Yeah. That's a bit insensitive. Njalo.
Hayi basikhuluma ngani nje sikhuluma ngani.
Ngeke no
Kari wena wafunda nga.
Mina ngafunde mother care.
Ngakona.
Ingale. Inga.
I'm pretty sure siyavala.
Njenge-spaces. Bathe ukuthi spaces udlule spaces
Uma-40
wathola kunjani.
Yazi nivele spaces ngacabanga ngoma-40. I-private school ngama-40
I
siyavala.
actually been into that. So what happened was I actually had an experience of both private and government school.
Umgcini, that's the worst thing ever said in this podcast.
Definition ka private yela ipambaza. It does me ukuthi ngenxa ukuthi
Yeah.
private maybe be
No, I mean,
Yeah,
I
true.
spaces.
As well as also government.
Because you're not technically, to be honest, private.
Private.
In.
It's not
I-spaces, yeah, private. But
Ngoba so government.
lalela. Thina ukuthi private means something else. Nge-context
Rentals
Nasicabanga
private. Right?
elite.
Ukuthi private
college.
kutshoni nje. And public school.
But
Mina nasicabanga
hayi thina obviously
CPC.
nge-context we know what we mean.
You guys, you know exactly what we mean.
Yeah, I know.
lapho umali into akhala ngayo ukuthi ezilongeza amajidi engabizana esithi owner so private.
Ngabuyela amangizi.
But bazame espesara manje abagcina besidinga nabo besingenisa
But
manje.
ngiyakutshela. Mna isipesana ngo-2010 ibipopile blind because 2008 2009 kwakungenama-teacher. So abantu abaningi baqasa ukuhamba ema-private school but ama-private school are too expensive. So i-spaces, especially 2009, majens, mina ngulowa 6 upper 6, sasiphuma thina ePetri. Chaya iconvoy siyipaka phambi kwespaces.
Lapho zamstshela wafunde Petri.
Hayi
Private school.
Uzamutshela
Private school.
wayidrayiva. Lalizenzani convoy.
Umdala makhetha lama kuphotiza yabona.
Sasuka ngale siyepaka ispaces. I'm
Yeah,
telling you
you
this. And I'm
promoter.
saying- No, I'm
Kule chere yakhe kuthiwa mbane singulindo. I'm sure you're watching this.
the fuck.
Check.
It will make sense. Uzabona kuma comments.
Okay.
Yeah.
Episode 8 me after
The one and only person that defended your skimpy shorts.
Khanela amashoda you kodwa sikuwinter vele. Otherwise I'll be back to regular programming soon.
Aish.
Yamashoti vele lana nje.
Hayi Francis Shona nyani nara mina topi.
But I don't know ukhona lento emchisa before some.
Yeah, ama barricades lawana city council.
Eish.
Akusahambe ke
Asetown.
town. Price I'm sure maybe 6 months ago ukuchapitara. Kwani ndela.
Shit.
That's
You guys are slow.
Mina I think
Maneuvering in town. I don't know oyenze i-town planning ngobulayo ukuthi mbani but asiyaxolisa putas. Asiyaxolisa hayi sokuyiswi.
Lokho okuyiyelo loka.
Oh yeah, look at those barricades in the
traffic
data
town
song.
is horrible dog.
No, what's insane now is angazi kumbe bekuyiplan yabo yini yabona masoko le blitz ezetherapy abona kuthiwa kubanje umjova. So kuchaya khwelo dog and this imjova they have a fun way of ukukwana kona bana but the only person that is in danger check the pedestrian.
Yeah.
The road's duty the first people that are supposed to be protected on the road my chance it's us. Sesifela ukuthi linoba abantu besema university thina bethu babe line ile railways balithekela izimoto. Sesikufela phela la.
That's a CSC. Yakazi bro.
Abazali like I mean
Mara mfukhuluma ipoint yakhe ye-traffic. Yakwazi ipoint le inzima bro because this is something I've also been pondering on for a while. Yakwazi into ezasolve i-traffic system esila because even Harare is the same problem. It's a shit thing because we need a more reliable public transportation system. Into enzakalayo dog ukuthi abantu umjova abancane abakwanisayo anti unga check every time mfuna just start doing something randomly every time ngawuse robotini ukhangela imoto ezi around you ubala abantu ukuthi bangakaba ama-1 ezimoteni. Uyakwazi imota ezize yakwazi uba yi-35 abantu abakhomba bekwana phakathi kwebhasi eyi-1. And usually when you want to solve i-congestion in most of these places, you have a reliable bus. Ugadi bus kungabe kusiyinto esimpoa. Mina if there was a reliable bus esuka eMathula
On
ibuye
time.
town. On time. Ehamba like nyangine ebhasini ngihambe. But the
Yiphi
thing is
country lena abachova amabhasikili khona?
China.
Japan.
Yeah.
eJapan.
Bro,
Japan.
uyakwazi uba ku-stretch se-traffic especially Harare. Uyakwazi uba ku-stretch se-traffic esuka lapha usiyafika e-trade fair esingaqedwa ngamabhasi angu-4. Just 4 buses. Wonke umuntu lapha sephakathi kwethu utshe imoto endlini. But the problem ukuthi wonke umuntu drive.
But I like what Johannesburg did. Johannesburg ukuthi like ku-CBD kule lane for buses on.
And amabhasi iriava on time.
Lamagonyeti.
Ngoba akula we can't expand the
Yasibulalela
city
imigwaqo.
now. We can't do ban is more. I don't know what else we can do. But you need a very efficient and reliable transport public transport system. Ukuthi vele sonke siyagadi i-Gautrain, siyagadi i-Rea and then siyachiza imoto endlini to. Mina I don't know if
Silazo.
Because there's a guy manje eHarare who said ukuthi like from around 3 p.m. to maybe 7 p.m. it's quicker for you to get into town and go back home ngomchova. Because imchova iyabigada ingena kwezinye indawo ukuthi wena ngemoto yakho ngeke
Angeke
ulokhoze.
ukwenze.
So just lapha is
Bangele
quick
Robert
ukama
Ntezonke
ngomchova.
singama-1-1 nje. Ubone 1-1-1. Wonke umuntu siyela uveve khona. This could have been uDina or could have been ibhasi eyi-1. Sisuka lapha.
Dina.
Amkhumbula uDina.
Aw hanjiwe.
Giving it to
Mina,
side
And that's
yakho
not gonna
member
happen.
but I
bro.
get
We're not
you.
gonna get uZupco back. But uZupco engavuka amajensi bela mamakophola clean. Ale router specific esuke eCountry ingene town. Uzabona.
Abe le Wi-Fi.
Uzabona
God
dog.
damn.
Uzabona
asking
dog.
for too
Yayithi
much
imoto
too
ingene
soon.
Phakathi. Come on man. Athi omunye uyayipreach
Or maybe like ama-street lawana
train
o-40
mina
labo kufakwe
ngikhuluma
khona
nge-Wi-Fi
ama-barricades lana,
emabhasini.
kuvalwe and then kuthiwe this is for ama-commuter omnibus only. Because it becomes a mess like maso kuxubaxubene so
Kuyimesi
lama
laba.
private.
But
Hayi
manje
vele
inkinga
mina I actually think ukuthi ilokhu zaleziyana would make sense if
In-
imigwaqo yethu bekungama dual carriage. Ama carriageway.
Yeah.
Yabona ukuthi because
Vele la ama-barricade angibona aqeda space la emgwaqweni ngibona.
Lokuyani yokuthiwa yi-sewing up the anus to stop diarrhea. That is not what we are doing correctly. Labana abantu vele kumele bephela abantu laba and koqeda abantu bonke laba.
Ungathola kuthiwe sokufika i-city council i-truck lana ye-city council
Into-
emdala. So ukhala ukhwelo ku-6th Avenue
Man,
lapha.
please. So unizama ukuthi kungaba le bhasi zayingena kule khwapha.
Ini?
Kule khwapha.
hayi bafethu ikhopha le wena.
Bani Wi-Fi comes khwapha.
Hayi man.
Lesi
Yakwazi kunjani nje?
Awungeke
Bana, so
Like
it's
premium
nesigadi
bus,
imchova
obviously,
singamakhwapha.
kulabantu abazathi hayi ibhasi lana mina ngigadi.
lesi sokuyisi wena Bhutas awungeke ukuthi kathesi
Yamile khwapha still.
awungeke ukuthi wena Bhutas kathesi awukade imchova because kunuka ikhwapha.
Phela ligadi ngoba kule
So
khwapha.
siyanuka nje
Dang.
ukuthi
I-roll-on vele i-inventwe nini kade? I-roll-on kade i-inventwe
vele
nini
vele
kade?
indoda inuka.
Kungekudala vele eduze khona amagogo
Islam,
namakhulu
ibe
zama
nomdlo.
bephila lekhwapha.
Ayibona
Roll-on into zathi these days.
ayibona ngimi yayithi the motherfucker that invented roll-on must have been really fed up. Like gotta do something here.
Bengakwazi ukuthi emchoveni so uthi emchova yonke.
Wagcina
But like,
nokade umchova.
the probability of ukuthi ungadi umchovo le khwapha is significantly.
Wagcina
Wagcina nokade umchova.
That's not the point.
Wagcina nokade umchova.
Man.
He gets his intel from Twitter.
Hayi
So wakade
ngama-girlfriend
Abe funile ku-in drive.
No, umchovo
Hayi,
ungada. But
ucabangile.
like
Ucabangile.
So
no,
wakade
alright,
kangaka
man,
umchova.
Georgia vele can
qinisile
count, but
yini,
lokhu
qinisile yini. Umchovo agcina ukugada ngo-2019.
Hayi,
But
hayi, opinion
COVID.
yakho.
But-
It's fine. It's okay. Hayi.
but
Ah,
based
yeah.
off of my general
ama-jitas
knowledge.
makhetha la la
Hayi Milo akho njalo. Akho njalo. Umuntu ebezikhulumela impilo yakho. Fana lokhu yanti uthawu ukuthi sebhawu umuntu ethe ngeyenesto sesishayinela. Ndothi nathi yenesi.
hayi but i-ENS kade waye yona inathi sebhawu
Nathela ngini.
why
Sabathi
not
vele.
ukuthi
Kodwa ngino
Somebody
nathi
vele.
Bolingers.
zwana
Ngibona
nje
sesiphoyintile.
zwana nje
lapho umthoki into angaziyo ukuthi abantu bafunda ukugeza nge-COVID mdala.
But the opposite might have happened. COVID zama ukugeza la mama.
hayi covid abantu basebegeza cause uyabusutshona lo mzali Sambe geza usikhwama la kunuka njani. Awuthintanga ne yini soma unje.
COVID must have been fucked up. COVID must have been really fucked up, especially abantu laba abahlala kuma apartment flats lana. Yabona Hillbrow labo.
Thathi mic
No,
mama.
I take it back.
Isound ayiphumi la.
Akusitsheli kwakunjani. Kwakunjani ngeCovid indoors?
I think mina ngibenze Jozi ngeCovid.
Okay.
Bengihlala eflatini kuthiwa iSplendid.
Angimuzwa man.
Ngithi bengihlala eflatini kuthiwa iSplendid like lise CBD duze le MTN. NgeCovid manje what happened is lapha wonke umuntu sase sivalelene lapha endlini. Eliftini lapha ugcwele amakula in so my friend uzapheka ispices sakhe
ngoba abantu abafuna under in ngobani.
Nigerians amamala Ghana
Amakwere. Basically.
Ngikhwehlela.
kwakunamakula and others
Uzohamba njani?
so like sayazana isikhathi vele uyabungela plan uyaphuma usiyanga
So la makhwapha ayangasela ndaba.
I'm sure.
ngaze uhlane la liftini uzaya ngapi njengoba ama lift ayi2 eflatini
So ikhopha into yamaZimbabwe.
hayi ngitsho abanye bale problem yomlomo
Right. It goes.
Uyaeda.
Uyabona into that esikhuluma ngayo lana
guys
ukuthi
like ama Nigeria njengaba obviously baye problem yomnandi udla kayanuka
Hayi sorry. Yabona into that esikhuluma ngayo na lana Jeki lapha na sihlezi lapha ukuthi it's like there's this huge stereotype against ama-Zimbabweans. Like i-conception ephandle ngama-Zimbabweans I think haya. Yazi bembukela ivideo lana Jeki enye ivideo esende group omunye mayisisesele sithi mina nganthandana lo munye nganishadwa ngomunye ngamfuna ukushadwa ngomunye umjito ngomZimbabwean. Umjidalwana wathi I know it's Zimbabwean culture ukuthi before mina la sichata ngicela uqalulale lo baba.
No gacela aqala alale ngumthetho wamakhalanga.
Ngumthetho wamakhalanga. Uqalulale
amakhala ngathwa
Akhalanga njalo mina angajola lekhalanga mina.
So no.
babazala
Angasaye silokhuzi. Umthetho wamakhalanga.
Ngiyili khala.
and that's true.
Yeah, it's true. Culture nigga.
Abel.
Umkharanga.
Uthini kanje?
People are gonna comment on this show. Sale too westernized bafana bam.
So linela
Nilabangani abayizitabane kodwa lokho kuyiculture
Sorry,
kuyalibanga.
guys.
Wow, this is crazy, dog. Very westernized bafana bam.
Aye.
Can not Buzo, but more observation. Have you ever noticed how Zimbabweans tend to market themselves as the most culturally neutral people? Like, it's always Nigerians are this, Indians are this, white people are this, but never Zimbabweans are this. Zimbabweans are somewhat neutral. See, accept
Ikwere alizizwa
ama cultures.
It's not a matter of ukuthi si accept wonke ama culture. The problem with your typical Zimbabwean person is ukuthi they dissolve their representation the moment they go out of
Do
the
you know why?
country.
And actually, I thought I was gonna say something as a joke, but you actually say
Well-
Tina's forced on Utubo. See, forced on Utubo were forced to blend in wherever we go because we're there for survival. Simple. Otherwise, it's very hard to brag
can-
and be patriotic and wave. your
obvious
flag.
ungafika eJozi sokumele umara
You can
kuzamele umara
Kodwa
la ube
lenza
kwazi
kakhulu
ukukhuluma
cross
emuva
border so fone ekhaya.
mara yo angikhoni
Tomato
can-
sekujikuba.
Zwana Jen, you can beg to different, but amanye ama-nationalities, Dubo or no Dubo, they carry their culture wherever they go. Yeah, you see-
True.
Yeah,
Serious.
you're right.
Kulento engayinanzelelayo.
Ama-Somalians
Ukuthi-
ukuthi abevela ndoda endlaleni last nam. If into kuthiwa famine was defined in the Bible and by Somalia. But proudly, you will see those people.
Yes,
Yiliphi
that's
Somali
what I was
enolaziyo?
about to say that.
Isayenzi
Yayinjalo ngesikhathi sesikole.
Kudala phela. No, wait.
Sokuyithi Somalia ndoda.
Hey, Jake,
Umbe
don't attack
beyond.
the example. Listen to me.
Alright.
And what I'm saying is, and even during foreign exchange programs, students, where they would take students, maybe, on us they used to do it, you'd find Somalis in us, land. Those people would always be in their what you call this, in their traditional robes. They never bought into any of this, I understand. The issue of a national dress was brought up in Zimbabwe by Joshua Maponga Sebangumsindo in the internet. That's when people decided we need to. But Tina, what is the what's a national robe that you can use to identify a Zimbabwean as a Mazwen?
It's scarf.
Ngaphandle kokuthi ethi ndeyiphi 2 kilometers away.
Eish.
but also mele phela uninanzele
ukuthi usuze ukuthi kulapha kulama
Izimbabwe
Zimbabwe so kumele ungene ecenter wabona
me-
ukuthi ndeyiphi
mele ulandele imbali yakho ukuthi iZimbabwe iqala vele yaqala njani. Kukhona enye inkabi ayisuka ibalekile ngalo usuyayitshontsha inkomo ngalo.
Lezi
Yabuya
inkabe
nga-
ezazivela ngale.
zabuya
Omunye umuntu
ngabe
wafika dweba isigombolozi wasihlanganisa.
Yabo so already vele thina vele.
Asila culture.
Kubi vele already vele.
No, culture. Listen, don't get me wrong. And culture, Tina, we have. But I'm saying, what is the hard thing? Ama Zimbabweans have a problem of what we don't carry out. What I talking at Ama Zimbabweans, I would say mostly
Yeah,
Ama
because thina
Ndebele
abanye
kakhulu.
saziwa singama South African na.
Ama
Imfethu.
Ama Dex, because Ama Shona, they are very bold. A Bait Bridge, ngale very
They are bold.
Yabo?
They are very bold.
Because they like
Bayamandex
there's a
utsho wapi
certain
akhona,
pride
amahole.
that, there's a certain pride that they carry within themselves. Thina mina ngale
Amandebele ayadecide
sokuthiwa yabona amabizo amazulu ngo Anele Vandile ngabuze eziningi imembe ezisejozi khona ngale yiyo amabizo azo Jake.
Hamna ngiyali but lokuyana singaku confuse abantu abenza something for survival labantu ukuthi abala pride ngoba mina vele example yeJozi ibuhlungu leya because I know most of those people are just doing that shit for survival. Just
Yakazi into
to
ekhuluma ngikhubuza enye
Ngoba
into omunye umuntu
akumele
ayikhuluma
abantu ukuthi
ekhuluma
ngomcebisi
ngendlela yokutsho kanti but liqiniso esithi Jeki thina abandebele waye plastic tribe lapho esivela khona abasifuni lapho esikhona sibasifuni so now we are so
Lathi asizifuni.
culturally alienated and yithi futhi abantu esiqina ukuthi
Abafazi
isikhiwa
bafuna
sasazi
amashoni.
emakhiweni khona ngale sizenza khona abasifuni futhi
Amahula afuna amashona. Kodwa abafazi bethu.
Anyways,
Serious.
Yami culture izwile so yami
Serious.
ngeke ngithwale everywhere.
Labo kuthiwa
ngiyithwala culture.
yabona uNuchero right sithi I only date men from Harare. Yakumbona right sibilo straight ekhuluma into enjalo.
Straight.
Alright. Why ungabi nguchinotimba from City Council Harare onguyothetwa why does it have to be uthamba ndomujinji with a big tummy and a political car? If you are saying I'm only yisuhule vele lesana
but
sikuvale.
mina bengifuna ukuthi sengananzelela ukuthi abantu especially ngeindependence aba proud to be Zimbabweans.
Ngaba ngekho la.
Abangekho la. Sebezipendile ngama flag elokuze nini labana babhala the
diaspora
flag.
sebelama locks.
The flag.
Babe wathwele bese Elizabeth Line London. Hamba lapha kuma tokwena mabhariya ka Bryce lapha ethwali flag.
But anyways, Love and Light, I think sizamile ukuthi silichaze noma la lisquatele umbe lisquatele, but at the end of the day olokhe sikwatele fusek asikuncenganga ukuthi ubela asikuncenganga ukuthi ube lapha yebo siya correctana lapho lathi siyalalela ikho si reactor futhi bangas correct
Yeah. That's the most important
sibuye
thing.
futhi sizo chazeka namhla sichazekile namhla ongahlekanga namhla hayi ngabona silokuze nini uyiboyfriend lane cheatileyo la yabe yathenga imoto
under different circumstances bebezabona icast yonke namhla it was a full house. It was a full house.
khona ufuna ukukhuluma anything before
Umongi ukhona lapha bamzwanga. Umongi say something.
Hello.
Mongi uya ngapha uzobatshengisa ithathu lakho
Endelona lihle. Ulibonile?
buya
Endlini
Ngilibonile
But ngibone vele ngesikhathi ukhuluma ama-audio ukhangela umongi. Do you have thoughts? Any thoughts?
Child.
T's and C's.
I'm straight.
but otherwise
I think.
Ngakubuza kangakubuzo nalo.
bye
Oh, Jake, Fridays kulani?
kule karaoke
Yes.
we come here and sing with the baddies
Libuye lizokala yoka lapha King's Crow every Friday they have balama specials on ama
Lama
meals.
cocktails.
Do they still have the Portuguese chicken?
and
And then they also have nice cocktails.
yeah
And then in
They
Sun,
also have nice one.
I mean, fuck you. Man.
Ayesande kathese sesibonga.
Now I feel like you cocking yamakiwa. Like ungabona umuntu omnyama usithi ule cock.
Melomelani.
Bryce kenje event yakho kuthiwa kwini?
Mix and the menu. Thank you so much for coming.
This is really a problem. By the time episode ibuye. So thank you guys also for coming to the Mix and the Menu yesterday. We had a wonderful time. into ade sezikhulunywa ngumayilo emnyango siyaxolisa that asikwazi ishisheleni ibe kabani
Yeah, bese nitakiwe.
wenze so uyefila mina
Barano, shout out.
Nothing beats subscribing to the BYO podcast. Survive depression. And your toxic co-worker.
Y Carlos,